Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is just a project share. I've been mentioning to you guys that I wanted to try making my own little tassel dangle charms for my notebooks and journals, and also to gift in Happy Mail. And so I finally did that. It's pretty late right now, but I did want to share. I was having a hard time sleeping, and so I just decided to come on and show you guys the tassels that I made. So I did draw inspiration from this tassel that I purchased from Carolina's Crafts on Etsy, and she used some seam binding with these pretty beads and a lobster clasp to make this, which I think is really pretty. And I still want to try my hand at making some with the seam binding, but I just wanted to share with you guys where I got the inspiration for these dangles. So let me just show you guys what I came up with. Pretty much the same concept like the one I ordered from Etsy, only I used these fiber trims that I got some of them from Dollar Tree, and this iridescent eyelash trim, I got that one from Hobby Lobby a while back. And I got these beads. I shared these beads with you guys in a haul from Hobby Lobby when they were on sale. And this little charm that says "Made with Love" right here, that came from Joann's a while back. And I did get these lobster clasps from Amazon. So my goals are a little off. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I don't think it matters too much. But just really cute, and it's a cute way to use up some of those fibers, those yarn fibers that you get from like Dollar Tree. So the pink one is one of the ones from Dollar Tree, and that pretty blue right here. So I did use those. And this is another one just like the first one, and then another one. I just thought this was a really pretty color combination, and I love those beads. And then I did this one, but for this one I just added one of those word beads from I got these from Michael's, and I think I shared these in a haul too. So this one came out a little long because of the word bead, but this would be really cute to go to hang as a dangle charm on a notebook or planner, or even a dangle charm from a purse or something like that. So I think they came out really cute. And I promised you guys that I was going to share that with you guys. And I did get this little box, storage box for some of my beads. I got this one from Michael's, and it was only $3. And I have this compartment and this compartment with all of those word beads. Still have some of those pink and pearl beads that I got from, and then the gold ones that I got from Hobby Lobby. Here's where I'm keeping all of my little charms that says "Made with Love" here. These are the beads that I just shared with you guys in my last video. I got these from Joann's, and I'm gonna make a charm for traveler's notebook that I plan to make. Those are those wooden beads that I got. Also, I got these was those little heart beads with the letters on them. Then I shared that back, and I think that was a Valentine's Day haul. But yeah, so, and these are some little beads that I got a while back in the dollar section at Walmart. So this is how I'm storing these beads. This is just one of my little storage bins, and I grabbed it because it was only $3. So that's how I'm keeping that. And then I'm using one of those Dollar Tree bins for all of my little clasps that I got from Amazon. So I got some of these keychain, the big lobster clasp with the little keychain rings, gold. I got some of these little bead separators. Those are my jump rings. Some more lobster clasps. And these little clasps I got in different colors. Yeah, so this, I'm just using one of these really inexpensive Dollar Tree bins to store this. And I also got some of these little bins to decorate up and make embellishment boxes for some of my crafty friends. So I do have them, but I'm gonna hang in on to those boxes until I get ready to do some embellishment boxes. But these do come in handy to hold your little you know, odds and ends and jewelry making supplies. So I don't think I'll need much jewelry making supplies. So I just got this little bin. I mean, for $1, it's holding everything pretty well. And then I've got 3 of these that are full with embellishments and different items here. And this is the cup that goes into this one. You can pull them out. But this also is holding like some beads, some just random stuff that that I pick up. And I got some of this stuff because I was thinking about making earrings, you know. I'm always, especially when I see stuff on sale. But anyway, I was just sharing with you guys those little tassels. I think they came out so cute. And that is such an easy and inexpensive way to make tassels. And yeah, it's super easy, y'all. And I am not sure what video I can link as a tutorial, because what I did, I went here on YouTube and I just watched a whole lot of different videos on how to make these little dangles and tassel charms. And so I just grabbed ideas from different videos. So, and then that's what I did. So you can always find videos, tutorials about these kind of things. You know, I mean, you can learn anything on YouTube, in my opinion. But yeah, so I think these came out really pretty. If you like this video, you like to share, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you would like to subscribe, click the link that says subscribe. Feel free to comment and let me know if you want to see a video of me putting together some of these. It's super easy. And yeah, I watched a few videos just to get some ideas, and I pulled from some different videos. And I think Carolina Crafts, she also has the tutorial out on how she made this one, so you guys can also go check out her channel, because this is a really pretty dangle charm right here. But I think this one right here that I purchased, I think I'm gonna give this one to one of my crafty friends. But yeah, so I was gonna use it for a mini album, and I still might. I'm just waiting for Rosa to do the mini album swap content on her channel. And then once I get the mini album from the swap, if it matches, I may use this one. And since I'm making these, I can always just gift these to my crafty friends. But Yeah, so stay tuned because I will be doing another video showing you how I make a dangle with those wooden beads and the little gold beads that I got recently at Joann's. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to share. Came out super cute. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.